The Ramsbottom Jigsaw Festival. Every September, hundreds of visitors enjoy our Jigsaw Festival. But it's not just our puzzles that make it successful. It's also our people. Lots of helpers give their time to make the event happen. Without them, there wouldn't even be a Jigsaw Festival. We call it being a piece of the bigger picture. During the year, lots of people make puzzles for us. Others collect in the puzzles and store them safely in the churches. When the time comes, some people help with setting up the church or tidying up again afterwards. Some help with transporting puzzles and boxes to St. Paul's and matching puzzles with boxes once they're there. And during the Jigsaw Festival, as our visitors arrive, our helpers are on hand to welcome them. Our stewards help them with the puzzles that they want to buy, taking the puzzles to our sales desk, where our busy team book them in, break them up, bag and box them, ready to serve our visitors with their purchases, and send them happily on their way. Then there are the people who sell our raffle tickets, the helpers who serve in our cafe and kitchen, not forgetting our talented home bakers who keep the cafe stocked with delicious cakes. But it's not just us that think our helpers are wonderful. Our visitors think so too. Our helpers enjoy their time at the festival too. Many come back year after year. So to everyone who has helped us in any way, thank you. Of course, we'd always welcome more help. It need only be for a couple of hours. If you think you might like to join us and be your own piece of the bigger picture. For more information, and with absolutely no obligation, contact rammyjigsaw@aol.com. We'd love to hear from you.